We're on a dog walk in the rain. We don't post very often on this channel, I know. I don't usually vlog, but I thought, you know, I still want to get videos. Dan's still growing up because look, he's so small. But now he's grown. Okay. Anyway, so. A what? You turned into a dummy? Yes. Okay. Oh look, Elmo's got a friend that he's conveniently ignoring. Oh, it's a lovely day to have a walk. We heard thunder earlier, so hopefully we don't end up stuck in it. Oh look, it's Elmo. Sniff another dog. This is so cute.
And that is called
You need to think through before you press.
No, this is
film.
that's rude. I do not need to think.
Hello.
I just want to be in the vlog, okay? I'm never in the videos.
Yeah.
I'm always the one filming.
Which is fine.
Which is fine.
Fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
And
it's not bad.
Father's in front because he's just like, yeah. There he goes. He's just.
There he is, Elmo Python.
So we're just finding a hide at the moment where we can, keep dry, and also look at some birds and stuff because ducks like the rain. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna go and maybe film some ducks
bees.
and bees.
Yes,
Bees don't like the rain, I don't think.
I don't think they
No, they like the sun.
do. They like.
My arm is
Oh, I
aching.
see a plane.
My arm is aching.
There's mine.
Why should? Oh yeah. He's got a bandage on his thumb. What did you do to your thumb?
Slammed it into the door. Stupid.
What? You're stupid, or the door's stupid?
Door stupid.
The door's stupid. Yeah.
Because it blowed into my one.
Ah. That should be all right though in a few days, shouldn't it?
It was only 3 days.
Ah, yeah. I don't know where we're going. I thought we were going that way, but obviously not. Yeah, so it is drizzling. Hopefully it doesn't get too heavy. As you can see, I don't know if I can see the rain on here. I don't know if we'll be able to see it when we watch the video back because it's very hard to film rain. My arm is. This is a good workout for this arm. Yeah. Okay. They're like all the way in the front. Oh, some. Let's give my other arm a workout. Actually, I'm better at holding it with this arm, but it's a bit shaky. Okay, well, peace. Oh, peace. Okay.